is Peter the Pauper. I was raised by a piranha and an old wooden rocking chair. Last week, my piranha mother fell into a drain, but I saved her. If there's one thing I love, it's puppetry. That's why I'm proud to present to you Peter the Pauper's Puppet Palooza. Today's story, the shepherds hear good news from Luke 2. A long time ago, God promised to send a great Saviour into the world. His name is Jesus, and he was born to Mary and Joseph one special night in Bethlehem. On that night, there were some shepherds who were watching over their sheep.
Hello, I'm a shepherd. I watch over some sheep.
Suddenly, an angel appeared. The shepherds were terrified.
I'm terrified!
But the angel said,
Don't be afraid. I've got great news that everyone will love. Tonight a special baby boy was born, the Saviour of the world. You're going to find him wrapped up in clothes and lying in a manger.
Just then, a whole bunch of other angels appeared, and they all started singing praises to God. The shepherds decided that they would go find this baby. We should go find this baby. And they did exactly what the angel had told them. That's it for now. I have to buy some paint for my dad. He's a rocking chair. See you later.